Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to Yulee Cars and Coffee for the monthly meetup for March. This is going to be our Walkabout cam video where we take a cell phone and a selfie stick and go around and look at all the cars that are there. And we'll even take you around some 360 in-depth views of some of the selected cars that were awesome or cool or rare. And anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We really enjoyed the car show. We always enjoy the car show. This is kind of one of those, I guess you could call it a Forrest Gump car show because you really never know what you're going to find at the car show. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do enjoy it, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. This was a great show. It's always a good show. We always have a good time. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap it up now. I'm gonna shut up. We're gonna get you out to the car show. So let's rev it up for them hot rods.
Approved for the center.
Yes.
You got your ticket emailed to you?
Yeah, I got it in the box. Okay. But yeah, I did, evidently I did something wrong. But I looked at Oh, no, the truck, no original frame.
I did the same, but then the same like flat coat.
I couldn't get a tire. So I went through the impound barrel down there. Let him apply the tires. The farmer must have bought it. He carried it to the farm and never.
What the part of the farm from the end of the wilderness.
Navy guy carried it to Kings Bank out west. So I had a friend of mine buy.
Hey.
Yes, there's Jim. You got some that car, after he passed away, his brother had some bullshit. 30 something. What is the car? 13. Yeah, I was wondering. Dan's a big one. I actually looked at him before I got. Turned them on, I saw the temperature and everything. Actually programmed them and all. Pretty plug and play. Yeah, the problem is you have to learn to set it. This thing's got like nurse shifts or anything, I'm out for like 3 days. No, and just like, well, yeah, work.
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Yulee Cars and Coffee Monthly Meetup for March. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We enjoyed going out to the show. We had a great time. We always have a good time at the car show. It was just this month. It seemed to be a little bit small. There were other events going on this month, this weekend. And the big draw, I think, was the Players Championship in Ponte Vedra. So that may have hurt us a little bit with having cars come out. You never know. It may just not. Word may not just not got out. I mean, I don't know. But we enjoyed ourselves, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're trying to grow the channel. We're at 358 subscribers. We need to get 500 subscribers. So Any help you guys be on that, it's great. If you can like it, subscribe, share, comment, it helps. It tells YouTube that people are watching my videos and they're actually liking what they're seeing. Also, make sure you're still subscribed if you were an original subscriber, because sometimes YouTube likes to kick off subscribers just to mess with us a little bit. That's really all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're gonna keep going out to the car shows. We're gonna keep filming them. We're gonna keep posting the videos. We're taking you guys out to the car show so you can watch. You can go to the car show from the comfort of your own home, from the comfort of your couch. You can watch it on your TV. You can watch it on your phone. You can watch it anywhere you want. We're taking you to the car show virtually. So I hope you guys enjoy it. We'll see you guys at the car show, whatever the next car show may be, and wherever it takes us, we're going to be there.